Hey Russell, this is going to answer your questions on the glossary. So on the first page of your course, the bold printed slide over here, at the bottom there's the menu or the navigation button, and this is the one that I use. And what you've got to do is where it says enable glossary button, you want to turn that on to true. And what that'll do is that'll actually display the glossary to the learners. The next thing you want to do is at the bottom, there's a glossary XML file that you want to upload. And before you upload this XML file, you first have to create it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Notepad, and in Notepad, the easiest thing to do is every line is a separate entity. So on the first line, I'm just going to put caret glossary, close caret. The next line, I'm going to put term 1, and then I'm going to put the pound sign, and then I'm going to put the definition. And you can have as long a definition as you want, as long as it just stays on one line. As soon as you hit the enter character, it's going to go to the next line. So I'm going to put term 2, pound sign, and the pound sign is the separation between the term and the definition. And then you can put as many definitions and terms as you want in here. And once you've finished, you want to put the open caret / glossary and close caret. So it's really important that the first line you open with glossary within the caret characters, and then the last line is / glossary within the caret characters. Go ahead and save this, and when you save this file, you're definitely going to want to save it as the UTF-8. Go ahead and save it. I'm going to save it to my desktop here, and I'm going to call this Russell Glossary .xml. So just save it as an XML file as UTF-8. Go ahead and save that. I'll close it out, and now when I'm back in here and I go to my glossary file, I'm going to do a search, and I'm going to search my own desktop now. Here we go. And on my desktop, I'm going to see that there's the Russell Glossary. And when I populate that, or go ahead and pick that, it'll place it in there. And when I preview this window, it should go ahead and show me that. So I'm just going to very quickly hit the F5, which I believe once. So I'm saving it here, and once it'll pop in, I'll be able to see this first page. I'll click on my glossary, and then you should see term 1, term 2, and the appropriate definitions of each. So now here it is, and you can see my glossary at the very bottom. So when I click on glossary, it pops up. It says term 1, term 2. I click on term 1, and it shows me definition, and term 2, definition as well. And you can pop that up on every single page, and you can contain literally hundreds of definitions in there. We've done it on several courses. I haven't really found any limit yet, so go ahead and knock yourself out with that. Hope this helped, Russell. Any questions, just give me a call.